Welcome to your 30-day challenge. We're gonna be burning a ton of calories today in 5 minutes. Bring your A game, bring your positivity. We are gonna rock this mat today. 3, 2, 1. Take out all the negative energy, bring in all the positivity. That's it. We're gonna bring our A game once again, and we are gonna do an awesome workout. It's gonna take about 15 minutes and you're done for the day. I'm gonna be teaching you exactly how to do each movement. We're gonna tone up your upper body, and this is how it's gonna get done. Today, we're gonna crank things up, keep our body burning fat all day long. I am worth it, I am strong. This fat is not serving me. It is time to burn some more off.